Hey you guys, as you can see, I have my nature box and I kind of peeped in it. Yeah, I'm trying to make sure no addresses are shown here. But here we are. We have some, I hope all is well. We have some big island pineapple. I got this one here digging in the bag. This is just dried pineapples. Let's see what they taste like. Adriana. We got a bunch of stuff today. This is like up Ebony's and Adriana's alley. But here are the pineapples and they're soft, so yeah, come try this. It tastes so good. Of course, I got 2 packs of these. The Big Island pineapple. Ebony! I've had these before, the whole wheat blueberry. I think we had the blueberry. How is it? Come on, you gotta sit here. I know you got your little stuff, but I want you to help do a test with me. Every time I do a video now, it seems like I was trying to show y'all as one here. These are the Figgies blueberry, and I'm not gonna eat this. This looks bigger.
Well, go ahead, you eat it.
No, we didn't have this one. No, baby, you can't eat this. That been in the facility where it's blueberries and where they package wheat and all of that. I don't think I want you eating that. You don't like it?
It's good. I like it sweet.
This is how big it is. One serving of this is 120 calories a bar.
Wow. A lot.
And then we have some crunchy ranch sunflower seeds.
Is this sunflower seeds?
No, baby. I still got on my Mother's Day fingernail polish. I got to get off. God bless you. No, I don't want you eating none of this. Y'all know how sunflower seeds look. God bless. Why are you sneezing?
She been rubbing her nose.
Okay.
Every time some boxes came in here.
Of course, I have 2 of these.
Sure.
I have 2 of these because I have 2 of these.
Yeah, but actually, it's in her nose.
Oh. I thought she...
No, baby.
Okay.
Oh, this is the garden tomato almonds.
Oh, this is this.
That is, I'll tell them in a few minutes.
Can you eat it?
How that thing?
Mommy, let me wipe them.
It's not vegan?
Mommy.
She got cheese, milk, and stuff like
Really?
that.
Mommy, let me wipe them. Mommy, let me wipe them.
This is good.
Mommy, let me wipe them.
These are almonds. What?
Mommy, let me wipe them.
Oh, yeah. You guys can see the almonds. That's how they look.
Those
Mommy,
are good.
let me wipe them.
Those are good.
I like
Mommy,
this.
let me wipe them.
They be like the... And then we got some lemon. You close it. Tea biscuits. That's how they look. I'm going to show it to y'all. I have 2 bags
Oh,
of each.
no, don't
I
open that.
think this is a bit too much
This isn't vegan either.
to have 2 of all of these things. This is the biscuit, a little tiny little piecey thing here.
This is good. Oh.
No, baby, no. I'm gonna give you something else, okay?
I'm gonna give you something to eat, okay?
This tastes like, I'm not gonna say, I'm gonna see what they be saying.
I know what it looked like.
What it look like?
No. It's good. I've had this flavor before.
But what it tastes remind you of?
Vanilla.
That lemon biscuit tastes like butter cookies.
Tastes like vanilla. Soft.
No, baby.
Soft version of vanilla.
No, mommy don't want you. Mommy gonna give you another treat, okay? Okay.
This isn't vegan. Nothing I had was vegan.
I think I'm gonna stop this box,
Why?
or I'm gonna cut back, cause I mean we got 2 of each, which we tend to. We don't eat it all in a month. We just don't do it.
Okay?
For me, I don't do a lot of snacking. I mostly eat on popcorn. Edmund said, I do.
I like this box.
I didn't say I didn't like the box.
No, I like this box this month.
Oh, she liked this box. So you guys at Nature box, she likes this box. 17-year-old. Y'all did a good job for her. So you didn't like any other ones? Or is there certain things you liked it?
Everything I liked it.
Well, what I like the most in this box is the garden tomato almonds.
I guarantee you it's going to be gone.
This is the best for me. And then I will go to the sunflower seeds. Sunflower kernels. I love sunflower seeds or kernels. I don't care for anything else. Those are like the 2 things that I would probably eat them. I probably would eat up these almonds and sunflowers without a doubt. These whole wheat blueberries, they okay. I think it's pretty good. Something to have with some tea, you know.
I like it's nice and soft. And
yeah, it is soft and gooey. So
chewy.
yeah,
Chewy.
Not gooey, chewy. So I think the least thing that I like. I'm not a pineapple person. Something is open, and that's what it is. I mean, I am a pineapple person. I love pineapple. Give her one. Give her one. Give it to him. Give her whatever. Whatever. These are pretty good.
Or lollipop.
Now these are chewy.
Which one you want, a cookie or lollipop?
I like these. I can do this.
No.
I would eat this with some oatmeal.
One lollipop.
To me, they're sweet. I'm not a sweet eater. Give me the salt, crunchy. That's why I picked the the almonds, and the
That's it.
Oh, and Ezra is showing you guys her organic lollipop.
And it's nice and gooey.
Oh my
And
God.
gooey. And it's tasty.
It's tasty.
The 2-year-old rooting a lollipop. Go, girl.
You like it?
Yeah. And this now it's gooey. And this now I'm putting this in around.
Now you turn it around. No.
I drink it.
I want it. I want this.
Get your cup I bought from Walmart and fill it up with some water. She like to drink up my bottled waters, or water bottles.
Water.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Ezriana, for helping me with this video. and she is popping, crunching on her candy now. So thank you guys. Oh my gosh, I was gonna say something. I'm gonna say somebody else's thing that I've been watching on YouTube. They're you see, you gotta be careful with what you be around. It wasn't bad, but it was just their thing. Thank you guys for watching 1,000 Roses for you guys. Y'all be blessed. Yes, my hair is a mess, and when it looks like this, it needs to be washed. I just took it down. Y'all, once again, y'all, bye. Be blessed. Have fun. Eat healthy. Do what you do. Have, enjoy life. But most of all, have Christ. Be blessed.